So you're thinking of buying a C5 Corvette and you can't decide between the base model and the Z06. This is a pretty important decision because these cars are pretty different and you really don't want to buy the wrong one. My goal for this video is to help you decide which one is best for you by laying out all the differences and explaining how these are going to change your driving experience, so stay tuned. What's up? It's your boy Gabe from Mile High Misfits. As you guys know, I am the proud owner of a 1999 base model C5 Corvette, but today's video is all about the Z06. So we're going to talk about the key differences between the C5 base model and the Z06, so let's get into it. First up is the one that everybody cares the most about, which is performance and power. The base model is equipped with the 5.7-liter LS1 engine, which produces 345 to 350 horsepower and produces 350 foot-pounds of torque. The Z06, however, comes with the 5.7-liter LS6 engine, which in 2001 produced 385 horsepower and 385 foot-pounds of torque, and in 2002 to 2004 produced 405 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. The key differences between the LS1 and LS6 engines include the following. The LS6 had a 10.5 to 1 compression ratio, whereas the LS1 had a 10.1 to 1. The LS6 was given a more aggressive camshaft, and was also given the 243 heads, which had an improved port design compared to the LS1 241 heads. The LS6 also has lighter and stronger valve springs to handle higher RPM and the upgraded cam. Finally, it also had an upgraded intake manifold for better flow, along with higher flowing injectors, although this became standard in the base models after 2001. Next on the list is weight. The Z06 actually weighs 128 pounds less than the base model. This is because of the thinner side and rear glass, wider and lighter wheels, which are forged aluminum instead of cast, fixed roof design, reduced amount of sound deadening in the interior of the car, and the titanium exhaust, which is lighter than the base model's stainless steel exhaust. Now moving on to the transmission. The Z06 has a more durable clutch straight from the factory and also comes with a slightly beefier 6-speed transmission. The T56 in the Z06 is very similar to the base model, but has a shorter gear ratio for better acceleration. And it also has more durable synchronizers to hold up to the abuse. The rear axle ratio is also more aggressive at 3.42 in the Z06 compared to the automatic base model. But all manual transmission C5 Corvettes came with the 3.42 differential. And keep in mind the Z06 only came in a manual transmission, so if you want an automatic transmission car, then you're going to have to go with the base model. Now let's talk handling and suspension. The Z06 uses higher rate springs to improve cornering stability, larger and stiffer sway bars, and improved shocks. The base model Corvette came with the FE1 and FE3 springs, and the Z06 came with the FE4 springs. The Z06 also has the better quality Bilstein FE4 shocks. And finally, the Z06 also has stiffer control arm bushings compared to the base model. Now let's move on to the brakes. The brakes on the base model are almost identical to the Z06, but the Z06 used slightly lighter OEM rotors and also used stainless steel brake lines, which give a slightly more firm pedal feel. The Z06 also has rear brake cooling ducts, which improve cooling efficiency. Next is chassis and structural differences. The base model is available as a coupe with a target top, a convertible, or an FRC or fixed roof coupe. The Z06, however, is only available as a fixed roof coupe for added rigidity. Structural reinforcements also make the Z06 stiffer and more responsive. Now let's move to the interior. The Z06 has a slightly more refined interior, including the Z06 specific instrument cluster, the Z06 embroidered seats, and the unique black headliner. Besides these small differences, the base model and the Z06 interior is almost identical. The Z06, however, did not get the option to have sport seats like the base model did because the sport seats are slightly heavier than the Z06 seats. And obviously with the Z06, they wanted to maximize weight reduction. Now let's move on to the biggest factor, which is price. The base model C5 Corvette typically sells between $10,000 to $17,000 depending on how many miles are on the car and how well it was taken care of. The Z06 typically sells for $5,000 to $10,000 more than the base model, so this brings the total price for the Z06 closer to $15,000 to $27,000. These cars hold their value well because they are at the bottom of their depreciation, but the Z06 will more than likely hold its value a bit better than the base model because they're much more rare. If you love C5 Corvettes, make sure to check out the Mile High Misfits Etsy store where you can pick up one of these C5 Corvette t-shirts that we just launched. They're $25 a piece and it's a great way to support the channel. Now before moving on to the recap, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to help me out as well and subscribe to the channel because that is the best way to support Mile High Misfits. But without further ado, let's get back into it. Now here's the question that we have to ask. Is the Z06 worth the extra $5,000 to $10,000 that you're going to pay for it over the base model? And the answer to that question is going to be entirely based on why you're buying the car. For daily driving, the base model is more comfortable, comes with more body style options, and also has an automatic version if that's what you're looking for. Now for track use, the Z06's extra power, handling potential, and weight reduction is going to make it a better option straight out of the box. As far as modding potential, the Z06's LS6 engine is also going to be a better starting platform than the LS1. The answer for the question, is this car worth the extra $5,000 to $10,000, is going to be different for everybody depending on your budget. If out-of-the-box performance is your top priority and you have the budget for it, then the Z06 might be worth the extra $5,000 to $10,000. But if the budget is tight and you don't absolutely need the add-ons that the Z06 offers, then the base model is still an excellent choice. Either way, you're going to be getting a Corvette, and both of these models are incredibly fun. I bought the base model because my budget was a little bit tighter, and personally, I just like having the target top better than the FRC anyways. Plus, the aftermarket support is absolutely phenomenal for both of these cars, and I'm planning on doing a cam and tune later this year. Making the base model as fast as a Z06 is not difficult, especially if you know how to do the work yourself. And the handling isn't so different that I feel like I'm missing out. But there you have it. Those are all the differences between the Z06 and base model C5 Corvettes. But let me know in the comments below which one you decided to go with and why. And as always, if you enjoyed the content for today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll catch you guys next week. Later.